Hi, I'm Chris from Driver Training Ltd. Today we're asking the theory question, what is a crawler lane? A crawler lane, or sometimes known as a climbing lane, is an extra lane provided on a steep uphill section of road, usually on a single carriageway or an A road, to help vehicles going slowly keep out of the way of the traffic. With the increase in technology, these lanes aren't so prevalent anymore, but you do get many times a separate lane open up that allows vehicles such as lorries and heavily loaded vehicles to move into the crawler lane so that faster moving traffic can pass safely in the normal running lanes. Think of it as kind of a slow lane. Instead of slow traffic causing a queue, they have their own lane to crawl up the hill, keeping traffic flowing. Now you'll notice this because there may be two lanes going up the hill and only one lane coming down it. So remember, crawler lanes are found mainly on long, steep hills. They're used by slower or heavier vehicles. They're designed to improve the traffic flow and reduce driver frustration. And when the hill levels out, the crawler lane usually merges back into the main carriageway. On the theory test, it may ask you something along the lines of, why is a crawler lane provided on a steep hill? And the correct answer would be something similar to allow slower moving vehicles to be overtaken safely.